everybody, it's Shanoa with howtopest.com, and today's product is Petcor from Zoecon. And this is an actual flea and tick spray that you can put on your pet. And today we have a special guest. Come here. This is Frank.
Frank!
Frank's wondering what's going on here. So the great thing about this is going to continue to kill fleas and ticks for up to 63 days, and it's so easy to use. He doesn't want to do this, but we all know that at spring, summertime, these fleas and ticks can be so bad. So we just need to protect our little guys. So it's super easy. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your spray. Hey, you're not going anywhere. And you're going to want to basically go against the natural way your dog or cat's hair lays, and you're going to want to give it 1 to 2 pumps per pound of pet. So if you have a 10-pound pet, you're going to want 10 to 20 sprays, but you don't want to get them super damp. You just want a little bit on there. You don't want to drench them. And when you get to the face, you're going to want to take a cloth, dampen the cloth, and then you're just going to want to go around the eyes and the ears and the nose. So you just don't want to get anything in their eyes. And remember also that if you have a pregnant or lactating or a pet that's on medications, you definitely want to consult with your veterinarian, because you don't want to give them something that's gonna maybe possibly harm the babies or even them. Also, let's see what else we have, little guy. Then you make sure you get the belly, the back hind legs. Don't get in the booty hole. You definitely don't want to get in that, or on the genitals. That's no good.
Definitely.
And just remember, Petcor 2 is for pets 12 weeks of age or older. You don't want to go lower than that. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at howtopest.com, and please subscribe, please like, please share, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much.